I am on my phone right now, so excuse the quality, but I do have the C400 balanced on the tilter, and wanted to show you the mini monitor hinge from Wooden Camera. Shout out to Wooden Camera. I put the monitor back here. Again, I don't really use the handle or the monitor elsewhere. I always use my Ultra HD, but decided to get this hinge, and I love how, again, I can just put this like this, and I already did some tests and worked out great. And this actually was very useful to get this little accessory right here from Wooden Camera. And again, this right here for my gimbal use, extremely useful. Got the cords cabled down there. And then of course, once done, put the cover on. I just made this sticker. Canon, cheaper to keep me on your cover, on your C400. Yeah, I put this as a reminder. I got 2 of them. So again, for my second one, that anybody, if it's not me, first AC, other DPs, whatever, they instantly see this and just know, oh, I don't want to owe this guy a lot of money. So cheap to put this case in. Again, you see how easy it is to apply once done. But yeah, overall, this Wooden Camera right here, mini hinge, super useful. And as you see, I'm on the 16 to 35 right there, fully balanced. Everything looks good. So all my C400 users, you don't got to worry. You could comfortably balance this. I already ran some tests or ran around, and yeah, worked out great. So, and get you a cover. Holla.